Saint John Leonardi. Feast Day, October 9th. Saint John Leonardi, a light in darkness. In the picturesque Tuscan region of Lucca, amidst the tranquil hills and rolling vineyards, there lived a family of humble means. Among the 7 children of this middle-class household, a boy named John, born in the year 1541, would go on to become a guiding beacon of faith and resilience, forever etched in the annals of history. From an early age, John exhibited a remarkable intellect and unwavering dedication to his pursuits. Despite an initial fascination with the art of healing and a fervent desire to alleviate the suffering of his fellow beings, young John Leonardi felt an unmistakable call from a higher realm. Driven by an unyielding yearning to serve God and humanity, he embarked on a path that would forever alter the course of his life. In the pursuit of his vocation, John diligently immersed himself in the study of pharmaceutical sciences, emerging as a certified apothecary after a decade of relentless dedication. However, fate had a different trajectory in store for him, one that would transcend the confines of mortar and pestle, leading him toward the sacred realm of priesthood. Guided by an unshakable faith and a profound sense of purpose, John Leonardi embraced the calling of the priesthood with an unwavering determination, marking the genesis of a transformative journey that would touch countless lives in the centuries to come. Elevated to the revered position of spiritual director to a group of aspiring young men, John kindled the flames of devotion and fellowship within their hearts. Together, they laid the foundation of the Order of the Mother of God, endeavoring to strengthen the fabric of the Catholic faith and propagate the teachings of Christ. But the path toward fulfilling his divine mission was fraught with challenges, as the burgeoning opposition from the civic authorities in Lucca sought to impede the establishment of his religious order. Despite the arduous obstacles and the weight of political turbulence, John Leonardi remained resolute, guided by an unshakable conviction in the sanctity of his calling. In the wake of the Council of Trent, John Leonardi fervently embraced the spirit of the Catholic Counter-Reformation, striving to instill a fervent dedication to the teachings of the Church among the clergy and the laity alike. His unwavering commitment to the universal call for holiness resounded through the corridors of time, a clarion call to both the leaders and the faithful to embark on a path of spiritual renewal and enlightenment. Amidst the tumultuous landscape of 16th-century Italy, John's indomitable spirit and fervent devotion found solace in the unwavering support of his spiritual mentor, Saint Philip Neri. Inspired by the counsel of this revered guide, John established a seminary dedicated to the training of missionaries, laying the groundwork for the formation of the present-day college for the propagation of the faith. Throughout his illustrious life, John Leonardi remained steadfast in his commitment to the service of humanity, extending a helping hand to the afflicted and the marginalized, regardless of the personal risks involved. It was during this selfless act of tending to the victims of a devastating plague outbreak that he himself succumbed to the deadly illness, transcending the mortal realm on the 9th of October, 1609, in the eternal city of Rome. His legacy, however, continued to shine as a beacon of hope and inspiration, illuminating the path for countless souls seeking solace and spiritual guidance. It was in the year 1938 that the hallowed corridors of the Vatican bore witness to the canonization of this illustrious soul, as Pope Pius XI bestowed upon him the honor of sainthood, recognizing his unwavering commitment to the service of God and humanity. The life and legacy of Saint John Leonardi serve as a testament to the enduring power of faith, resilience, and unwavering dedication to the greater good. His indomitable spirit continues to resonate across the epochs, offering solace and inspiration to those navigating the labyrinth of life's trials and tribulations, reminding us all that even in the darkest of hours, the light of faith can guide us toward a brighter tomorrow. Glowing star looking for daily inspiration from the saints? Subscribe to our channel for a dose of divine wisdom. Sparkles join us in spreading blessings and positivity. Comment with your heartfelt blessings on today's video. Loudspeaker, share this inspirational content on your social networks and let the world experience the light of St. John Leonardi. Receive blessings and discover the wisdom of the saints in your daily life.